Hello children, hope you are all fine. We all know that naming words are called nouns. Nouns can be the name of anything. It can be the name of a person. It can be the name of an animal. It can be the name of a place. It can be the name of a thing. Now, let me give you some examples. Rajat. Rajat is the name of a person. Dog. It is the name of an animal. Kolkata is the name of a place. Chair. It is the name of a thing. All these are naming words, so we can call them nouns. Now, let us come to the kinds of nouns. There are 5 kinds of nouns. What are they? They are proper nouns, common nouns, collective nouns, abstract nouns, and material nouns. In this class, we will discuss about proper nouns and common nouns. So, today our topic is proper and common nouns. Now, let us come to proper nouns and common nouns. Let me write 2 sentences. Geeta is singing. The girl is singing. In sentence number 1, Geeta is singing. We are talking about a particular girl called Geeta. So here, Geeta is a proper noun. But in sentence number 2, the girl is singing. We are talking about any girl. She is a girl in general. So here, girl is a common noun. Let me give you another example. Mr. Roy is reading the Times of India. The man is reading a newspaper. In sentence number 3, Mr. Roy is reading the Times of India. Here we are talking about a particular man, Mr. Roy. And the newspaper is also particular, the Times of India. So here Mr. Roy and the Times of India are proper nouns. But in sentence number 4, the man is reading a newspaper. Here we are talking about any man and any newspaper. So here man and newspaper are common nouns. So what can we say? We can say that proper nouns are the names of particular persons, animals, places or things. And common nouns are the names of persons, animals, places or things in general. In this regard, we must remember that a proper noun always begins with a capital letter. Now let us come to the exercises. Exercise A. Here are some common nouns. Give 2 proper nouns for each of them. Children, here I have written the proper nouns for you. You can also write of your own. Number 1, books. Treasure Island, The Tale of Peter Rabbit. Number 2, cartoon characters. Chhota Bheem, Doraemon. Number 3, animals. Tiger, elephant. Number 4, planets. Earth, Jupiter. Number 5, writers. Ruskin Bond, Charles Dickens. Number 6, states. West Bengal, Orissa. Number 7, oceans. Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean. Number 8, mountains. Kanchenjunga, Nanda Devi. Now come to exercise B. Rewrite these sentences using capital letters where required. Number 1, Sanjay and Rajesh went to see a film on Sunday. Here, Sanjay, Rajesh and Sunday are proper nouns. So, we will have to make it capital. Sanjay and Rajesh went to see a film on Sunday. Number 2. Mohan's father bought a toy car for him from a toy shop. Here, Mohan is a proper noun. So, Mohan's father, here M will be capital. Number 3, at the annual function, the boys and girls danced to the music of A.R. Rahman. Here, we know that we will have to begin a sentence with a capital letter. So here, A will be capital. At the annual function is an event. So, we will make it capital. The boys and girls dance to the music of A.R. Rahman is a proper noun, so it will be capital. A.R. Rahman, R will be capital. Here I have done 3 sentences for you. The rest you try to do it yourself. You download the PDF of this chapter from the school website. That's all for today. Thank you.